My name is Frank Mangan. I'm a professor of vegetable crops at the University of Massachusetts in the Stockbridge School of Agriculture. And I'm going to talk about how to save seed from eggplant. Specifically, an eggplant that is popular with Africans and Brazilians. It's a different genus and species than traditional or European eggplant, which is Solanum melangena. This is Solanum giloux. And this is about the size that it gets, and it turns red or orange when it's mature. So to save seed, you want to take fruit after it matures on the plant. When it's mature on the plant, you can take it, and that means that the seed is viable. So the first thing that we do is we'll cut the ends, exposing the seed cavity. So you can see the seed cavity here and also here. And then what we do is we'll then put these into water, and we've already done this with some of these earlier ones, and then we kind of pull them apart. This is the placenta, that's where the seeds are produced, this white material. And so we kind of take these apart and scrape out the seed. Okay, so some of these we still have seed, but just so we can show you, I'm going to take these out. We already did that with several fruit. And so one thing you'll notice is that on the top, in addition to some plant material, the placenta, you also have some white seed. And that white seed, any seed that is immature, in other words, is not viable, it'll float to the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to skim off that top so that the white seed will come out. And so you can see the white seed is in there. And what's left, that browner seed, that should be mature seed. So that we're going to put through a strainer. And then we're going to put it on a paper towel. And then we're going to spread it out. Now you're not going to be spread it very evenly at first, just because the seed is so wet and they're clumping together, and you can do that over time. But you want to let it sit for 2 to 3 days at room temperature. And you can see this is seed that we did earlier, and this is 3 days later, and you can see that it's very dry and ready for saving. And so what you want to use is a glass or plastic container. Put the seed in. Again, want to make sure that it's very dry, and something that you can hermetically seal. And then you want to put this in a cool, dark, dry place, and it'll last for up to 3 years. So if you, for more information on giloux and garden egg, giloux is spelled J-I-L-O. You can go to www.worldcrops.org and put in garden egg or giloux, and you'll find more information about those crops. And these videos about how to save seed will be there. Okay, thank you very much.